Hey 30-minute marketers, Gary Baker here with you. Today's quick video, we're going to talk about how to improve your website ranking in Google. And we're going to do that with the Cadillac of SEO tools called Ahrefs, because they just released, or I just found out today that they just released Ahrefs webmaster tools for free for site owners. As you can see right here, 30minutemarketing.net, I do have a blog. It is grossly miscared for or undercared for or not cared for as well as it should be. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open up a free account and we're gonna take a look at how I can improve the 30minutemarketing.net blog so you can understand as well how you can work your site to improve its rankings. So to do that, let's pop over to Ahrefs, and there'll be a link in the description, of course, and you can get Ahrefs webmaster tools, and you will have the ability to improve your website's SEO performance and get more traffic from search, and it's free for website owners. Of course, you'll need to verify ownership of your website. There's a little video here, you can watch the demo, but the basic idea is you're going to sign up with Google or Facebook or your email address, and then once you do that, you're going to verify that you own your site. So we're going to go ahead and sign up with Google. After we click I accept the terms, go ahead and sign up with Google. We'll go ahead and go with 30-minute marketing. That's going to redirect us to Ahrefs right here to complete our account sign up. I'm just going to go ahead and type word of mouth because I heard about this from a friend in a group. Receive product updates, receive new articles from Ahrefs blogs. Just to stay on top of what's going on, might as well. And of course, they are giving us this tool for free, so we'll go ahead and we will just continue. Here, you're going to go in, you're going to add your first project, set up a website that you own to analyze. Remember, this is for a website you own. This is for your website. So go ahead and add a project. And you have some ways to do this. You can import from GSC, which is Google Search Console, or you can add manually. Adding manually would probably be some method of taking a piece of code and uploading it to your hosting provider. We'll go ahead and we will import from Google Search Console. We'll go ahead and we'll use 30-minute marketing. And we will allow them to view our configuration information and view our reports. We will go ahead and view Search Console data without making any changes. We'll go ahead and allow both of those things right there. So what we're doing here is we're allowing Ahrefs to access our Google Console data. And you can see right there, all we have to do is confirm those choices by selecting allow. And we got an authorization error here. This app has exceeded recommended rates of users signing in with Google. So it looks like that this is not going to work right now because everyone is trying to do this with Google. So let's try the manual method, okay? So in case you get this message, you'll see right here that this is an authorization error. It's coming from Ahrefs. So what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and add it manually. So here you're going to see create a project, set up your website to start analyzing it, HTTPS. Okay, what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and we will analyze the 30minutemarketing.net blog, but we'll just do the whole site here. Exact subdomains, subdomains including subdomain, domain. We'll just go ahead and go with that. Ahrefs bot is doing its best to check your domain for accessibility. We'll let it run and do its thing to see what happens. So there we go. Project name 30-minute marketing. Your domain is accessible. We'll go ahead and continue. Ownership is not verified. Google Search Console, which you saw the error, we can't control that. So we have a DNS record right here, or we can do an HTML file. Let's go ahead and just do the HTML file. That'll be the easiest way for me to do it. You can, of course, explore DNS record or HTML tags. We'll go ahead and download this verification file. And then you can see all we need to do is upload that into our root of our website. In my case, 30minutemarketing.net. So we'll go ahead and do that. All right, so the HTML file downloaded right here, the verification file, after the Google Search Console authentication failed due to overuse. So you can see that file has been downloaded right there. So what I'm going to do is just pop into my hosting file manager and upload that file right there. And then we will continue with this step. So here I am in my file manager, and all I will do here is go ahead and upload a file. by clicking here on upload. We'll go ahead and we'll select that file. There's the Ahrefs file right there that we downloaded. You can see that file has uploaded 100%. We'll go back and let's see if we can see that file. It is right there. So now we'll go back to Ahrefs and just verify that and continue setting up our new project. So now we'll just go ahead and continue. Skip verification. Oh no, stay here. Let's go ahead and recheck status. Now it's going to recheck Google Console, DNS record, HTML file. It should find the HTML file and we should be able to continue. There we go, it found the HTML file. We'll go ahead and continue. So here we have the schedule for site audits. This is the main feature of Ahrefs that you're getting right here, is the ability to audit your site. So go ahead and set these up. I'm just going to go ahead and leave them at the defaults. URL sources, choose URL sources, website, auto detect site maps, specific site maps, and you can hover over each one of these and check what each one means. Let's just go ahead and check each one and see if we have to put information, and you do. So we'll go ahead, check this to start crawling your website for URLs that have external backlinks in our database. That sounds good. Let's go ahead and crawl settings. We'll go ahead and just leave these as the default, and we can always play with them a little bit later. We'll go ahead and select finish. So now we are inside. We've created our project. You can see the health score is starting crawl, domain rating, referring domains, backlinks, organic traffic, organic keywords. All this is going to be set up, and then we're going to be able to go in and start using these tools: Site Explorer, Keyword Explorer, Site Audits, Rank Tracker. Everything at this point that I know of is readily available for you to use inside for your single account, the site that you own. And they're allowing you, of course, this is the freemium model that you see in so many other cases and so many other tools. So I recommend go ahead, register for your free account, authenticate your site. If you can't do it through Google Search Console, which is the easy way, but the authorization didn't work because everyone is jumping on board for this free account. Get your site verified, let it start crawling, and then as we do this, I'll dig in more to Ahrefs and let you know how I'm going to use it to help fix the errors and problems I know that the 30minutemarketing.blog has, and I'll update you on those as I fix them, and we'll see where this goes, and we'll learn more together about Ahrefs. Of course, if you already use Ahrefs, go ahead, drop me a comment and let me know that you already use it, and if you're excited about this or not, in case you already have a paid account, what you think about it, and if this video was helpful. Give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like you see right here. Click those videos, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.